Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to add friends on Snapchat. You can easily add friends on your Snapchat if you follow a few simple steps. In order to know how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. From your app list, tap Open Snapchat. You'll end up in the camera screen of Snapchat, which is also known as the home screen. Tap on the human icon with a plus in it at the upper right hand corner. You'll end up in the Add Friends page. You can find your friends by searching their Snapchat username in the search box at the top where it says Find Friends. Type in the username of the person, and from the username that appears below, tap on the Add button beside it to add them as a friend. So after you do that, the person will be added on your Snapchat. You can also add a friend by scanning their Snapchat snap code. Tap on the snap code icons at the corner of the search box and tap a photo with the snap code to add that Snapchatter. Once you do that, the person whom it belongs to will be added as your friend on Snapchat. You can also add friends from the Quick Add category displayed in the Add Friends page. Simply find the person that you are trying to add as a friend and tap on the Add button right next to their username. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add that certain person on your Snapchat. Those were some of the ways you can add friends on Snapchat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.